Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting rose water. To begin, select about 2 cups of fresh, fragrant rose petals, ensuring they are free from any pesticides. Gently rinse them under cool water to remove any dirt. Next, place these clean petals into a pot and cover them with approximately 4 cups of distilled water. Simmer this mixture on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the petals lose their vibrant color. For a purer, longer-lasting rose water, consider distillation. Place a heat-safe bowl in the center of a large pot. Arrange your rose petals around the bowl, then add enough distilled water to just cover the petals. Invert the pot lid and place it on top, adding ice to the lid. As the water simmers, steam will rise, condense on the cold lid, and drip into the bowl as pure rose water. To ensure your rose water lasts, proper storage is key. Transfer your freshly made rose water into a clean, sterilized glass bottle. Store this bottle in a cool, dark place, such as your refrigerator, to maintain its freshness. For an extra boost in longevity, you can add a few drops of witch hazel, which acts as a natural preservative. With these steps, your rose water can remain fresh for up to 6 months. For the best quality, always use distilled water, as it lacks impurities that can shorten shelf life. Be careful not to overboil the petals, as this can diminish the delicate scent and beneficial properties. Your homemade rose water is wonderfully versatile. You can use it as a refreshing facial toner, a soothing hair rinse, or to add a lovely, natural fragrance to your homemade beauty products. Enjoy your beautiful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.